One partner, one solution for regulated industries. In pharma, every decision is based on three factors: liability, efficiency, and profitability. Anton Paar is more than an analytical instrument manufacturer. We are your long-term partner, helping you succeed in audits, pass inspections by authorities, and deliver compliant results every day. We continuously invest in broadening the solutions for the regulated environment. Our systems comply with methods from pharmacopoeias worldwide, delivering accurate, traceable results for solids, powders, gels, and liquid samples. With AP Connect, all generated data flows securely and traceably from measurement to review and approval, audit ready at every step. Anton Paar supports your systems across their lifetime, from installation, compliant preventive maintenance, and re-qualification after software updates or location changes, all the way to repairs. Our trained experts perform the qualification, documented with Analytical Instrument and System Qualification AISQ+, to contribute to your measuring equipment control and secure constant audit readiness. One partner, one solution. Anton Paar.